You don't have any excuse not to make money right after watching this video, as I'm going to show you in the next 5 to 10 minutes how to make your first $100 a day with CPA marketing. And if you're excited, make sure to drop a like on this video, and if you have any question throughout this video, ensure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. The first thing you want to do is to head over to any CPA network of your choice, but for this video we are going to be taking CPA Lead. So once you come over to CPA Lead, this is a platform where you can simply find CPA offers to promote and start making money online. For those who are not familiar with this term CPA marketing, you basically get people to sign up to an offer or install an app and you make money. It's that simple. So once you come over to cpalead.com, all you need to do is to come over to the create an account section. As you can see, you get paid every 24 hours on CPA Lead. All you simply need to do here is to click on start earning now. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. You want to click on get started. And now it's going to ask you to select your payment method. And I highly recommend to do this. And as you can see here, you can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, check, wire transfer, and ACH. So you want to basically select your mode of payment right here and continue. Then it's going to bring you to this page where you then want to enter your basic information like your full name, your email, password, and you want to click on register. So once you create a brand new account on CPA Lead, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 on CPA Lead and get paid in the next 24 hours. So all you simply need to do from here is to click on all offers. Like I said, this platform houses a lot of CPA offers. You can start promoting and start making money. Like I said, people just simply need to sign up to these offers or install an app and you make money. You want to always make sure you go for offers that have this fast pay feature, which means whatever you make today, you can request for payments and get paid in the next 24 hours. All right, so this is also a very good offer right here, $750 Amazon gift card, and this offer is going to pay us $1.50 for getting people to sign up to this offer. And as you can see here, this offer is available on all devices, but this offer wants traffic from United States only. So all you simply need to do is to click on the offer, and as you can see, this offer wants 25 leads every single day. So I'm going to show you how to get these leads in a moment. Okay, so the next thing you want to do from here is to then create a very simple landing page like this. As you can see, this landing page contains various CPA offers. As you can see, this one for Amazon, this one for PayPal, this one for Cash App. So you can add as many offers as you want to your landing page, so that once people come over to your landing page, they get a chance to complete multiple offers, which is going to make you a lot of money in passive income. Okay, as you can see here, I basically just type in a captivating call to action like this. People can redeem $750 Amazon gift card, and I added scarcity right here, which says 9 units left, so that once people come over to this page, they take action as soon as possible. Once they click on this link, it's going to then take them to the offer page, and once they complete it, we get paid $1.50. And now if they complete these other offers as well, we are going to get paid 50 cents to $1 as well, which means the value of a user completing offers on your landing page could earn you up to $2.50. And if you multiply this by, let's say, 40 as an example, and this is the bare minimum. You can see right here, just 40 people coming over to this page to complete these offers can earn you up to $100. So I'm going to show you how to get traffic in a moment. However, to create this landing page, all you need to do is to go over to sites.google.com. It's a free landing page builder from Google, which you can use to promote these CPA offers. All you need to do once you come over to this builder is to click on this plus button, and you'll be able to create a landing page like this. So you want to simply type in any text you want right here as the title of your landing page, and then you want to add images of the gift card. And it's very easy. You can simply go over to Google and type in something like Amazon gift card or PayPal gift card, and you're going to see a ton of images you can include in your landing page. So it's very easy to create this landing page. Just download those images and add them to your landing page. You want to then make sure to come over to your CPA Lead account and copy the link to these CPA offers, and then you want to make sure to include them for the respective gift card. So this is how easy it is to create your landing page. So once your landing page is created, the next thing is getting traffic. And since we know this offer wants traffic from United States, we want to make sure to find US traffic. And I'm going to show you this website right here that gets mainly US traffic. As you can see, over 38% of this traffic comes from United States alone. And the website in question is imgur.com. And I'm going to show you how you can get free laser targeted traffic and start making money promoting CPA offers on this platform. However, the next step will require using Instagram. I'm going to show you why you need to do this in a moment. So you basically want to go over to your mobile device and you want to go to your app store. This is very important because you want to download Instagram. So once you download the Instagram app, all you simply need to do is to create an Instagram account. So once you create the Instagram account, you want to simply go over to the bio of your account and you want to add in your landing page from Google site. And I know this is not making sense right now, but I'm going to show you why you need to do this in a moment. So to do this, you want to go over to the edit profile section, and then you want to scroll down right here to the bio. And if you come over to the bio, you want to type in a simple bio like this: want a free gift card, click link below and you could be a winner. Okay, so now you want to then scroll down to this section that says links, and then you want to come over to add external link, and this is where you want to add your Google site link. So once you add this is all you basically need to do. And now you want to also create an account on Imgur as well. All you need to do is to click on the sign up button. So you can see you can create an account through various channels like Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, and Yahoo. So once you're done creating your Imgur account, you want to then create a post, and you want to come over here and click on create post. As you can see here, you can create a post in form of photos and in form of videos. And now you may be wondering, where do you get content to post on Imgur? All you need to do is to go over to reddit.com, and this is a platform where you are going to find a lot of content you can post on Imgur. So you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in something like funny. And here you are going to see various subreddits right here. You can see funny memes, funny animals, funny videos, and funny. So we are going to take this funny as an example. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of new content that are being posted on Reddit, which you can quickly upload on Imgur as well to start getting free traffic. So you want to make sure people are engaging with the content on Reddit, which is a good indicator that the content is going to perform on Imgur as well. So all you need to do is to right click on whatever content you want. So as you can see here, you can then save this video to your device right away. Once you do that, you want to then make sure to grab the title of this video as well, and you want to basically paste the same thing on Imgur. So you want to come over here and click to choose photo or video. So once you make the post, all you simply then need to do is to come over to the description section. And no, you are not going to be adding the CPA offer link here or the Google site landing page, as the post is going to get removed right away. So rather, you're going to be doing something creative. You need to create a break page. And to do that, you are going to be using your Instagram account as your break page. So all you need to do is to copy your Instagram profile link. So once you copy the link, all you then need to do is to paste in the link right here. And once you're done, so you want to add in hashtags like this, because these hashtags get a lot of traffic. Once you include your link, some of the people that like the content will definitely want to check out your account, which is then going to bring them to your Instagram profile. And then they see a chance to win a gift card. Many of them would definitely click on it, and some of them will complete the offer, and you'll be making money with free traffic. And this is an account doing this same strategy as well. You can see they uploaded a viral video on Imgur, and you can see this video has gotten over 1,000 upvotes. You can see they added their Instagram profile link. And now if you go over to their Instagram, and if you can see right here, they are definitely selling something. So if you come over to their website, they are selling tickets to an event, and you can see here costing $300, and this one here costing $400. So you can see this person is using Imgur to get free traffic to their Instagram, which then takes people to their website. So all you simply just need to do in your Imgur account is to replicate what is currently working on this platform and what is working for others. So just do the same thing and post it on Imgur, and you're going to start getting free organic traffic to your landing page and start collecting free leads. And for those who might be wondering if you need to create any content on your account, you don't really need to do this, as like I said, we are using our Instagram account as a break page. And now you can add some followers to your account to make it even more legit. And to do that, you can simply go over to Facebook and type in Instagram follow for follow. You are going to basically see a lot of Instagram accounts that are doing follow for follow. All you need to do is to follow these people and they also follow you back. So this is just going to basically give your account more social proof. So if you like this video, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment if you're going to try this out or if you've been doing this method already. And for those who are interested in making more money with CPA marketing, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now to scale your CPA earnings.